Do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm Day.
It is Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, this is Tita, and we always do our Boxycharm and IPSY unboxings together. We are going to have a giveaway at the end. I will talk about all of the things that will be in the giveaway and what you need to do to enter into the giveaway at the end. So if you want to see that, stay till the end so you can check it out. But let's get into what we got in our box for this month. So we have variation 71, and the first thing that I see right on the top is the Ciate London palette, the editor palette. We do have a card this month. Hold on, baby. So that's nice.
Wow.
This is what the palette looks like. It's a heavy-duty plastic kind of material.
Whee.
It does have a plastic covering on the top. And then these are the shadows.
Wow.
They are very pretty. We've got some nice shimmers in here. This is
Wow.
$32.
What is it?
Inspired by the New England fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows, blah, blah, blah. It's actually really pretty. I'm going to swatch a few for you so that you can see how the pigmentation is. We have some matte shades, some satin shades, and some shimmer shades. So I'm just going with the first three right here. This is what they look like. Let's swatch them and see. Oh, wow. That is a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be. Let me just swatch this matte shade one more time so that we can see it. And then this one down here, I don't think the camera's picking it up as well as it actually shows up in person because it is a very beautiful gold. And if y'all know me, you know my goal is to look like Guy Diamond. So
Do you like this?
I do like it, but I like when you don't pull everything out. I like that too. Y'all, if you've been with us for a while, you know that these unboxings can get a little crazy because Tita is 3 years old. If you didn't know, she actually has a twin brother. Obviously, he's also 3. And I have another set of twins, and they are 2. The girls, they are actually getting into makeup a lot. So, that's kind of nice for me. The next thing we have... The next thing that we have is Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter. Ultimate Glow Getter. I love that. I like that. It's a cheek trio. This retails for $28. This cheek trio has all of your angles covered. This high quality silky formation ensures high points of your cheeks. Blah, blah, blah. This is it. Really nice packaging. It kind of has a marble look to the package. Oh, and the actual palette has a marble look to it. Also heavy duty plastic. This is the palette. Let's swatch all 3 of these and see how they look. So that's the 3 you want to swatch. Oh, whoa, you're swatching all of them at the same time. That's a lot of swatching. Bronzer doesn't show up that well. These two, clearly very pigmented. I think the bronzer will show up well on my face, but my arms are significantly darker, so it's not really showing up that well here. But on my face, I think it'll show up all right. The next thing that we have is Brazilian Kiss Tinted something. Not going to try to even say this word. It's Cupa something. Lip butter. This retails for $20. This is the packaging on that. Let's see how it looks. It looks like this is a brown shade. Doesn't say the shade. Soul Matte. I have no clue what shade this is in. Oh, yeah, here. Yep, it's Soul Matte. It is a brown. I am not a major fan of browns just because my lips are so dark. Let me wipe. I have, oh, I'll tell you before. I am wearing today the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in Just Peachy. In case you're wondering, but let's try this on and see how it looks. If it can even show. Like I said, I have really dark lips. I don't know. I don't know if I love this. Let me look and see. Let me look and see. It almost doesn't even show up because my lips are so dark. But on my hand, it definitely has a brown tint to it. So this would be a nude kind of lip balm or lip whatever lip tint for someone, but for me with dark lips, it doesn't show up well. And like I said, that one was $20. The next thing we have, we are going to put this in a giveaway, not this month's giveaway, but a giveaway. It is one of those sponges, Cherry Tanaka Musk Body Wash Buffer. This retails for $20. I have gone to Ross and seen these for only a few dollars, like $3, I think. I've gotten one of these before, and I mean, they're good for exfoliating, and the one I got smelled nice, but they're not something I'm going to use regularly, so I am going to put this in a giveaway. It does have a musky scent to it, and if you watched my, what was it, a Kylie Jenner lips perfume video, I don't like musky scents at all. So this will go in a giveaway, not this month, I'll talk about this month later, but this will go in a future giveaway. And then the last thing we have in here is Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry. And this one retails for $70. $69. It's a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish. Blah, blah, blah. That's a lot of money. It has like a metal tube. It's like a tube you would get a medication type of cream in, is the type of tube it's in. Oh, you got to puncture.
How to wash it?
I'll wash your pants. It's okay. You got to puncture. Oh. Doesn't really have a scent to it. A lot just popped out. So we're gonna... A lot came out of there. On the box it did say something about like, oh, you want some? Where do you want? Okay. On the box it did say something about patting it in so that it gets down into the skin. Oh, you want some on there?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Rub it in. Let's see if it's actually gonna, I don't know if it's like mattifying in the look or mattifying in the feel and the look, but we'll wear this for a minute and see how that goes. All in all, I would say this box is a pretty good box. I mean, the highlighters are nice. The eyeshadows are nice. Whoa, be cautious, please. The highlighters are nice. The eyeshadows are nice. So, you know, I'm definitely gonna try this lotion out and see. Oh, yeah. Bless you. You okay?
Yeah.
I can already feel it drying, and it looks, you can't tell on camera, but it looks mattifying almost in this weird way. It definitely doesn't have a glow that most lotions would have. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this month's giveaway. Normally our giveaways last for 2 weeks, but with the holidays coming up, I decided we'll just cap this one on Halloween. So the giveaway ends October 31st. And in this giveaway, we are going to be giving away the Skin Camp Eye Magic Collagen Hydrogel Eye Mask. This is a 5-pack. I got this, I think, in Boxyluxe last month. It's a little bent, so I'm sorry that happened during shipping, but this will be one of the items in there. The next item in there is going to be this. This is the Tarte Mascara. It's the By the Sea Tarte Sea Surf Curl Volumizing Mascara. And then the last thing that we are going to have in that giveaway, and this is all, one person is going to win all of these things, and I will send them out to you. The last thing is going to be this Laura Geller palette. I love Laura Geller. I'm in a Boxycharm group on Facebook, and it seems like some people don't like Laura Geller, and I was really confused because I really love her products. So I felt like this would be a great thing to win because I would love to win some Laura Geller. But this palette is the Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek palette. And it's really pretty. It has flowers on it. I like the packaging here. It also comes with a small, it has a small mirror. It's not a full-size mirror. And then you've got some eyeshadows, you've got a small blush, and you've got a highlighter in there. These eyeshadows, they look beautiful. I mean, they look really, really nice. It took a lot for me to say I'm going to give this one away because it's just a really gorgeous palette. But all three of those things will go to one winner. To enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, of course, and like the video, and then leave me a comment with your Instagram handle, and then head over to our Instagram and follow us there. And I will pick the winner and let you know on the 31st. With Instagram, yeah, I see. So the reason that we have you put your Instagram link and follow us on Instagram is because that's the way that I'm going to contact the winner. I will DM you and let you know that you've won, but I'll also come back to the comments here and let you know to check your DMs because sometimes they go to that other box, the requested box or whatever it is. So I'll also comment here to let you know that you have won. So far, I think that all of our giveaways have gone well and people have been pretty happy with the items that they got. So we do this every single month and we will continue to do it just because. Did you use the new lipstick? Yeah. She used the new lipstick? Well, it looks good on you, girl. So I think that these are going well. Everybody likes them. I enjoy doing them, and I have a ton of extra stuff because I do get these subscription boxes, so it's nice to be able to gift these to people. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, say it with me, man, and all those good things. Bye.